In today's video, we're diving into the exciting world of freelancing. Whether you're a seasoned freelancer or just starting out, this comprehensive guide will equip you with the knowledge and tools you need to succeed. So, let's jump right in. Before we delve into the tips and tricks, let's define freelancing. Freelancing is a form of self-employment where individuals offer their skills, expertise, and services to clients on a project or contract basis, rather than being permanently employed by a single employer. In this arrangement, freelancers have the freedom to choose their clients, projects, and working hours, allowing for greater flexibility and control over their professional lives. One of the key aspects of freelancing is the ability to work remotely or from any location with an internet connection. This flexibility enables freelancers to manage their work-life balance, travel while working, and cater to clients worldwide. Freelancers often work in fields such as writing, graphic design, programming, marketing, consulting, and many more, depending on their skills and interests. Freelancing also offers the potential for higher earning potential compared to traditional employment. As freelancers are not limited to a fixed salary, they have the opportunity to negotiate their rates based on their skills, experience, and the value they provide to clients. However, it's important to note that freelancers are responsible for their own taxes, insurance, and benefits, which are typically provided by employers in traditional employment settings. Overall, freelancing provides individuals with the autonomy to pursue their passions, work on diverse projects, and build a portfolio of clients. It requires self-discipline, effective time management, and continuous learning to thrive in this dynamic and competitive field. With the right skills, a strong work ethic, and a proactive approach to finding clients, freelancing can offer a rewarding and fulfilling career path. One of the first steps to freelancing success is establishing a strong brand. This involves defining your niche, creating a compelling portfolio, and crafting an engaging personal brand story. Remember, clients are looking for someone with expertise and a unique voice. Now that you have your brand in place, it's time to find clients. Start by leveraging your existing network and reaching out to friends, family, and colleagues. You can also join online platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr to find freelance opportunities. Don't forget to optimize your online presence with a professional website and social media profiles. When it comes to winning projects, a well-crafted proposal is key. Tailor each proposal to the specific client's needs, showcase your relevant experience, and clearly outline your services and pricing. Be concise, professional, and highlight the value you can bring to their project. Freelancers often struggle with time management. To stay productive, set clear goals, create a schedule, and use productivity tools like Trello or Asana. Remember, time is money, so learning to manage your time effectively is crucial for success. Building strong client relationships is vital for repeat business and referrals. Maintain open lines of communication, be responsive, and seek feedback to continuously improve your work. Clear and transparent communication ensures both parties are on the same page. As a freelancer, you're responsible for managing your finances. Keep track of your income and expenses, set aside taxes, and consider using accounting software like QuickBooks or FreshBooks. It's essential to stay organized and financially secure. The freelance industry is ever evolving, so it's crucial to invest in continuous learning and upskilling. Stay updated with the latest trends, technologies, and industry best practices. Consider taking online courses or attending workshops to enhance your skills and expand your service offerings. Freelancing isn't without its challenges. From dealing with difficult clients to managing burnout, it's essential to develop resilience. Seek support from fellow freelancers, practice self-care, and learn from setbacks to come out stronger. And that's a wrap. Remember, freelancing offers incredible opportunities for growth, freedom, and financial independence. By following these tips and embracing the freelance lifestyle, you'll be well on your way to building a successful career. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.